Guys, we are just going into No Frills just to pick up a few things. This is not my usual grocery day, but we just have to pick up a few things before they sell out. So, as usual, I decided to take you along with us. And we have a little helper here. We have Isabella. Again, just a couple of things. We're going to be in and out before you know it. Here, go put it in. Put it in. Push, 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 push. There we go. Oh, this car's not very good. Watch, watch. Careful, careful. So, we want...
I think we're going to get something from here.
We want the $1.88 sunlight. See if you see it, Isabella. Oh, here it is. Look.
I don't look.
So you can see they're going quickly.
These are tiny, guys. These are 2.
3.
Guys, aren't these so cute? They're so tiny.
4. Oh, they have different scents. Okay, hold on. We might be... Oh, no, they're all the same. Are they all the same? Morning
They're
Fresh.
so cute. I love this
Morning
color
Fresh.
blue.
Okay, so we'll just take 6 for now. Because with these coupons,
These are cute. 2,
it's going to be
4,
88 cents. Yummy.
Oh,
Oh, we want to pick these up too. Look. We want to pick these up too because we have a $1 coupon. So what kind do we want? Hazelnut, vanilla. Take a caramel. And these are on sale at Metro for $1. And with the $1 coupon, they'll be free. And this is all I'm picking this time around because we have to be in and out fairly quickly. Not to worry, I'll share with you the prices so you too can get these for next to nothing. I told you it was quick. We were in and out in a matter of minutes. I picked up what I needed to pick up today. So I hope to come back when I have a little bit more time and more coupons, of course. I'll do the breakdown as soon as I get home. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye for now. Hi everybody and welcome back. So I inserted the little shopping trip clip just before this, but I thought I would do this as a quick wrap up of the things that I purchased. So I wanted to break them down for you so it'd be a little bit easier to understand because going through the store was you know, just in and out. So I don't even know if I made any sense. So let's start off with these. These are the Kind bars. This one is almond, sea salt, and dark chocolate. And these are so, so good. So I purchased 2, and these are one of the items that I want to go ahead and purchase more. So these are currently on at Metro for 99 cents, which I believe they retail for, Metro's probably more than No Frills. No Frills had them for, I believe it was $1.79. Metro I would see being $2 plus. But anyways, they retail around the $2 mark, but they were on sale for 99 cents. There is a $1 printable coupon on smartsource.ca, so it made them free. So great deal. Obviously a great stock-up price. These are good for lunches, snacks, and yeah, so I hope to pick up more, hope to print coupons and pick up more of those because free. Who doesn't love free? Over here, I picked up the International Delight. I picked up the hazelnut, and I also picked up the vanilla toffee caramel. These are currently on sale at No Frills for $1.88. Again, there is a $1 printable coupon. I believe it's on smartsource.ca, bringing these down to 88 cents a bottle. So that's a great deal. And this is 473 mils. So for 88 cents, cannot beat that. Next, this was my deal that I didn't want to miss. So that's why that little 5 minutes that I had to spare, I went in, and luckily I had some coupons that I printed last night. These are also another item that I want to print more coupons for. So these are currently on sale for $1.88, and it is the 25 load or 1.15 liter. So again, $1.88 at No Frills. Fantastic deal. I did show you in my previous clip, it was a savings of over $4 and change. So we're looking at maybe the $6 mark or so. So for $1.88, even if you don't have access to coupons, great stock up price. However, I did have a $1 printable coupon. Now it is a hidden coupon from SmartSource, so I will link that coupon down below so you too can get access to it. So that is $1 off, making each bottle 88 cents. So I did pick up 6 this time around. Again, I hope to pick up more. So again, fantastic, fantastic deal at 88 cents a jug. And lastly, I did not show on my clip, but this is on sale at Food Basics, again for $4.97. And I like to call this the gift that keeps on giving, because on selected boxes, there is a $4 coupon. So of course I had $4 from before, which I presented to the cashier. So that brought it down to 97 cents. Again, that's at Food Basics. So No Frills has ended, but Food Basics is now carrying them for $4.97. And again, there's another coupon in here, so hence the gift that keeps on giving. So I'll go ahead and cut that out and go ahead and purchase another one. So that was my haul, this mini haul this time around. Again, great deals. Didn't want you to miss them. That's why I decided to upload this on the first day of the sale so you can take advantage. So hopefully you hit that little notification bell, because that will notify you each and every time I upload a video, so you never miss one of my videos and you never miss any of these great deals. So again, thank you so much for watching me. Thank you for supporting me. And like always, I'll talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.